Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to set up a Fidelity trust for a minor. Alright, if you've been wondering how to set up a Fidelity trust for a minor, then this video is made for you. It's gonna be a really quick one. We're not gonna waste any time at all. Just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing you're gonna want to do is log into your Fidelity account. Now, you can choose to log in on the online website, or you could do that on the mobile app. That's the Fidelity mobile app on your mobile device. Now, once your account is logged in, you want to click on accounts, and then you want to click on trust accounts. Now there, you're going to initiate the trust setup process for a minor. You're going to need to provide the required information. Of course, that's the minor's details as well as other details. Next, you're going to choose the trust options, and then you're going to confirm the trust details. You want to make sure you go over those details again, just to make sure they're all accurate. And once that's done, you can monitor the trust activity from Fidelity. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a Fidelity trust for a minor. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next